So first step, this comes off, which I've already taken these tiny little nuts off. That's a phrase I wish I never had to say again. The trunk lock cylinder, and then I think, if I'm correct, these little clips need to come out. Go trying to yank the panel off without taking off all the nuts, because that would be foolish. And with that, all the hardware's removed. It goes over there somewhere. Always be sure to spray where no one can see.
Clean up the evidence.
Delete the evidence.
And delete the evidence. So? Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, I forgot your trunk lock is inside the trunk.
Is my key in here? Where's my key? I think I put it in here. Oh yeah, it's right there.
Well, see, you know, it's fine. It's just out.
Yeah, but the latch is right here.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can't unlock it.
No.
Make sure you use spray. That causes cancer. Gee, why glue a spoiler on?
Because they're fucking Japanese. I don't know.
My car's spoiler isn't even held in on one side.
Hey, you wanted to glue yours.
Well, yeah, but that's because some jackass broke the hardware, not because, you know, gluing's the only option I have. This is how a spoiler should come off.
I think I got the technique, actually.
This is a great shot of both of your hands and none of the action.
There's always great shots of both my hands and no action. I mean, what?
You do two-handed solo porn? Is that?
Why? Yes.
Is that the implication?
Yes.
Both hands on the grip. I
No,
mean,
I'm like one of those like teasing girls that just we pretend we're giving hand jobs or touching ourselves, but we really aren't. Ow!
Your hands are off camera, just like making coffee or something.
Right. There's some very suggestive
Suggestive.
ways. Thank you.
Don't punch me in the face.
Fucking eat those when we're done. Because I have carbon fiber replacements.
Oh, I was gonna say, I'm like, are you just deleting shit that doesn't weigh anything?
Oh no, yeah, basically.
Move up on this car.
Might help if we remove fog lights.
Oh, yeah, that might help. And look, the finished product. Sometimes you just have to talk about cars well backlit and horribly lit. We got spoiler off, trim panel off, front bumper off. Unlike yesterday's video, I'm going to include taking everything off. Because, you know, that's half of an install video is an uninstall. It's not gonna be the same if aftermarket parts just come off.
Big title, selling the FRS. What?
Well, it's a 10 you're looking for, which means that it's missing.
Basically don't fucking have it.
It's missing, you're gonna look for it, you're gonna give up, and then it's gonna be in your hand. Look, I'm doing shit. I'm doing work. I'm putting in work. It's the real shit. See?
But I can't drink my kombucha while I film.
You can drink your kombucha and film. Just, look, chicken wing it under one arm, and do exactly what you just did.
I'm doing it.
You're doing exactly what you just did.
Why am I filming? You're not doing anything.
I am doing something. Oh, there we go. I'm getting the new fog lights in. The new foggy boys. If you look down, they're yellow. Because that's the color that they use in France and Europe for some reason. Also, I guess like it hurts people's eyes less or something. Yeah. Must beers he gave us are strong.
Hi.
Mine's the empty one, in case you're wondering.
Well, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out.
Brackets are necessary because brackets help it snap into the bumper. Yeah, I was wondering, I was like, this doesn't seem right that the old ones were in there so secure and the new ones are in there with just one, bolt. And then I realized that that's not the way. That's not the way. That's
a dead meme.
Year and a half old at this point. I'm so ashamed of myself for bringing it up. I can't hear you. What? How did we already get 14 subscribers? Because I'm dumb as shit.
I think that's why. What are you screwing on? Oh. Good.
Those in? Yes. Where are the turn signals? Oh, do we have to wire those first? Or do we have to,
You look drunk.
would you say I look visibly drunk?
You look drunk, yeah.
If I was a cop, if you were a cop, would I be arrested?
I mean,
Would you make me walk in a straight line?
probably at the least.
Okay. Where did I put the nuts? I put them somewhere safe. It's on video. It's just
right here.
Oh.
Yeah, and then there's two on that side.
I did the right thing. I did the right thing for once. So my brain told myself, I'm like, hey, you're gonna drink a beer and you haven't really eaten that much today, so you're gonna be a little stupid after this. Brain was like, hey, put all the nuts that you need on the pavement where they're easy to find. Thanks, Sober Me. The Jeff Bezos,
Yes.
founder of Amazon.
Amazil.
Jeff Bezos.
I wonder if that's what it's called.
Jeff Basil.
No, Bezeebulbub? I can't say that.
Bezeebulbub.
Bezeebulbub.
You've had fucking kombucha, you nerd.
Kombucha, this isn't hard kombucha, it's just regular ass kombucha.
Yeah, I'm saying you have no excuse. This video is gonna end with one of us missing 2 sockets. I almost guarantee it. That was the shittiest one in the world.
Jeff Basil.
Jeff
We should come up with an organic basil and call it Jeff Basil.
You know we're gonna get sued out of existence the second we do it, right?
Oh, what did we do that? We used somebody's name. Oh no.
We angered the Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
I made Jeff. Basil.
My name's Jave.
Jade.
One time I went to work without underwear on and experienced some extreme chafing. Please edit that out. That was bad. Oh, that does look good though. Oh. 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 Sorry, I'm having a good time. I'm dumb as shit. Ignore me.
Wasn't.
What's your kombucha for?
I'm not doing it again.
So you got these little plastic things?
Oh. Those two kind of honestly really transforms the bumper. Like if you can see with the bezel on,
Jeff Bezel.
Jeff Bezel. That young Michael Fiber. Shout out more skids.
Michael Fiber.
Young
Lil Michael Fiber.
Lil Michael Fiber. That young Michael Fiber. Young Lil. Are we gonna get to a point where there's gonna be a rapper named Young Lil?
Named what?
Young Lil.
Young Lil.
Like Lil Pump and like Young Blood is the only one I can think of. Like Young Lil, like both of them. Lil Young.
That's stupid.
Oh, wow. That's not how it lands. My ball just got tickled by my bumper.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the train.
No. sorry, car, but I don't feel like that intimate with you.
The bumper install.
I mean, me putting my fist in your whole exhaust was a one-night thing, okay?
Wait, you're sober for that. Arguably, you've had more alcohol now than when you fisted your car.
Here, hold on.
You can't just.
Oh my god.
I didn't get it.
Oh, there's kids over there.
Oh my god.
Remember, kids. If there are kids, don't kids. There's kombucha, but I don't think it'll do what you're looking for. Oh.
There's kombucha, but I don't think it'll do what you're looking for. It's doing what I'm looking for. I was gonna say, Big Dick Energy is like that song where he says that, you know, he's poor as fuck, but like...
Big Dick Energy is pulling up in your 94 Geo Metro to the club and dropping $1,000 on bottle service.
Yeah.
That's like the biggest,
That's
pretty...
No, that's not Big Dick Energy, it's a weird flex.
Oh, that is a weird flex, but... Big Dick Energy is daily driving and repping a 94 Geo.
Why are you making that noise?
Sorry, let's... No.
Oof! I just
Oh,
breathed some of that, and it was good, but
Bad miles.
this is my favorite part of any install. Is wires. Wires suck.
I like the children screaming in the background. It's good.
You like children screaming? Oh my god.
That's pretty grim, dude.
I want to get that checked out by a professional.
It's not what I meant.
I want to go see a therapist, dude.
I mean, I do.
Oh, it's just power and ground. How hard is that? Well, I'll tell you how hard it is. It's fucking hard. No matter what you do, you wired it wrong. You stand by to find out you wired it wrong. You're gonna turn the power on, and everything's gonna catch fire. And yeah.
Hey, I'm hungry. What are we gonna do about that?
Wow.
What?
It's really like... Wow.
That's not what I mean. That came out bad. I meant like, what are we doing for food?
Wow, I'm hungry. What are we gonna do about that?
That's not what I... No! I didn't mean it like that. It just came out like that.
Is going from this to this. Wait. All right, so this is the fruit of so far's efforts. We have the LED daytime running lights, amber LED fog lights, LED turn signals, which aren't on right now. And Toyota. Also brought the Jetta to come in and get a bath. Apparently these are too bright. I don't know what anyone means. Excuse, sir. And now this bitch is all clean.
Ooh, it's
How much do you trust me right now?
not a lot.
This thing's clean too, and I don't know what the fuck to do with it. It's like shiny. Ain't got no business being shiny. So I like to open my door really aggressively. I will wipe my wiener on your mirror.